Good morning, students. My name is Rajesh sir. Today we are starting the object drawing. Object drawing means many things around us in our home, like bucket, jug, jar, mug, cup and saucer, etc. So today we will start how to draw and make the object drawing. Students, now we will start the object drawing. Object drawing means different type of objects in your house. It's called objects like bucket, mug, jar. So like these objects you can draw flower vase. So in first assignment I have told you practice like this. Now this wheel you can use in this object drawing to do your drawing the best and fast. So if you have practiced, you will be able to do the object draw. Now we will see how to draw the objects. Suppose I have to draw a bucket. Just compose it like this and then do. Now what you can do, you can draw the guidelines. So that will helpful for you to the beautiful and correct drawing. Then you can draw the center of it. Approximately. Okay. Now you can draw the guidelines. When you will do the guidelines, you will be able to do the correct drawing. Okay, I will show you. See, here is the okay. Now in this corner, many students are doing like this, showing points here, point, sharp cut. See the bucket from if you will see on the top part, it is like circle. So it is not sharp. So you have to show the round here. In this object drawing, you should not use the geometrical method like scale, circular to draw the lines. You have seen I have directly drawn the lines like that. You practice. Approximately we want. Okay. Here also directly I have drawn the line. Okay. Now you can see here same measurement is here from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. Okay. Now the height of the bucket, side height. This will seen from front side only. Okay, from this side only, not from back side, because it is back side, no. So here is one, second, and here third. Now this will move like this, so it move like this. Here it will go like this. So bucket will start from here. Now here. See, From here you can see it is coming inside. Okay, same will here. Now this part is round turning, so here will not be straight, this will be totally wrong. So this will curve like this round, because bucket is a round shape. Okay, like this. Now there is also be a small turn like this here also, and then it will move again like this. Here I will do small cut. Okay, so this is the one example of the bucket. Now this is bucket, and here is the part to make the handle. It will come out from this like this, then straight, and then it will move like this. Okay, so like this. So starting from here, here, and coming here, starting from here, here, and here. Now after complete the drawing, you can turn opposite position like this, and you can see it is correct or not. If it is not correct, then you can do the correction in the drawing. This is the technique. Now this is the one example. Now what you have seen in this assignment, we had drawn this bucket below eye level. Okay, object drawing is always below eye level. Now this bucket, if I will draw on the eye level, how it will look? Why we are studying for the three-dimensional study. Okay, that bucket will, I will do the rough lines again here. Now I will show you. The bucket will look like this. And this part. Will erase here. Now this is called two-dimensional drawing. It is looking flat. It is looking flat. Okay, so this is called eye level, and this is below eye level. So object drawing is always done on the below eye level. We cannot keep above eye level. Okay, we cannot tie this bucket on the ceiling with rope or and do the drawing. So we are drawing the object drawing below eye level. Okay, in the classroom when you are sitting on the bench, your object is always down the floor. Okay, not on the table. So you will be able to see like this. So round. So keep in the mind always do the round like this, not to do the point. Okay, this is totally wrong. So you have to practice. See, very up. 1 second, I will show you. If you started seeing any object like bucket, okay, so from top we will see it will look like a circle. It will look like a circle. Then the position will move. It will look like this. Then it will like this. Then like this. Then like this. Again turn the position. Then changing. Okay. So from top you can see it will look like a circle. Then as the position change, upper part of this we'll see like this, then like this, then like this. Okay, then it will be very small, then single line, again small. So step by step position will move. Then again big. Problem is there. So I hope you have understood the position. Okay. So from top we will see this bucket will look like this. Then turn, then like this, like this. So like this we can see here. Okay. See again top we will see like this. Then down like this here. You can see. Okay. So this is the one example of object drawing. What are the things? Not to use scale, circular, any geometrical material first. Second, you have to keep any object in front of you. Okay, not big bucket, but there are very small objects in your home like glass, cup and saucer. Okay, so many objects are there. See, I had roughly drawn here. You can see I had done here the dustbin. Okay, guidelines. Afterwards we have to erase the guidelines. Can you see it? Okay. Now here you can see this is the eye level. Okay. But when we are doing below eye level, it is looking like this. So this is like a 2D and this is like a 3D. In the object drawing we have to study shade and light. Okay, real. See this object in below eye level it is looking like this, but eye level it is looking like this. Okay. See here eye level we don't understand what is this, but when we are doing below eye level you can see here also you can see the small bowl like here you can see. Okay, this is the eye level, this is below eye level. Here also you can see mug or any glass to drink the tea or what. You can see here it is a flat 2-dimensional, it is a 3-dimensional. See glass. Okay, this compass box here you can see flat eye level. We don't understand what is this, but here we will draw in the below eye level we can understand, yes, this is a compass box. So like this many objects are there in your house. You can practice and you have to show. So here you can see afterwards we can erase this guideline. So you have to do the light drawing always. Afterwards we have to erase this lines. So I hope you understood the purpose of the object drawing and how to do the object drawing. Now I will do the corrections over here. These lines we have to erase afterwards. Okay, these side lines. So these guidelines you have to draw and do first light drawing, very light. Don't take dark pencil. Okay, first take HB or H pencil and then do it afterwards, make it dark. Okay, so this is the bucket. Always many students what they are doing, how they are doing the bucket. I'll show here like this. And directly they are drawing like this. How is this looking bucket? No. So you have to do the observation. You can see the difference. Okay, and do not do like this straight. It will look like we have filled water in a plastic bag and you are carrying it. So downward parts. No, it is round. Here is round, here is round, because from inside it is like this. But it is opaque, that is why we are unable to see it. Okay. So I will show you some other assignments. You can do the jar, flower vase. See here, you can see I have some assignment done. Okay, different angle, eye level, below eye level, cross section. Can you see it properly? See, this is eye level. Okay, this is below eye level, and this is different angle. Okay, see angle, the guidelines to do the work. There also done the pencil box. So different objects, cup and saucer, glass, flower vase. Okay, many objects you can do at home. See, like this objects, different angle. Okay, see here, different angle we have to. So here you can see straight below eye level. Can you see it clearly? Here cross. Okay, here side angle. So I hope you understood. See, back side angle. So like this, different objects you can draw. This is very simple. You take a dustbin, a mug, jar, cup and saucer, small bowl. Okay, even your water bottle. Okay, so there are many objects. See, one of my pencil shading object, you can see here. Okay, so light tone, middle tone, dark tone. Light is considered from this. Next bit I will show how to do the light and dark. So in this today's assignment, you draw a glass, bowl, like many water bottle, kettle. Okay, dustbin. So many objects are there in a house. So you can practice it. Not so many, but you have to observe. You have to observe the shape, size, form, heighted, long, short. You have to observe it. Okay, you should not don't do the pencil shading. It is for reference only. I showed how that drawing can be converted into beautiful drawing with the pencil shading or color. Okay, like this texture also you can do the same, but that is the afterwards I will show you. First only pencil drawings, of different objects you have to do. Do you understand? Okay, so draw the objects very beautifully, observe it. First do the observation, do rough sketch, then dark it. Okay, on one paper on this drawing paper you can do 1 2 3 4, yeah, 2 3 you can make. Compose it very nicely. Heighted one take one side, short take side, broad. Okay, thank you.